let us talk about assignment operators. We have seen assignment operators in previous video, and for this one we want to dive into the details and also introducing new operators as well. For that, I've created a file in this operator folder called assignment, and it is empty, so you can also create an empty file and call it whatever name. So for that, let us see the first example. So we have var num is equals, for now we can have 10. So this equals symbol is an operator, and this operator is called assignment operators. This is the major operators throughout our programming. So and by the way, if you are wondering what is assignment operators in a simple term, it is just assigning one value to another value. So in this case, we are trying to assign or represent num with 10. So we want to place this number into this variable called num. That's assignment operations. So for that, let us see other operators. So we have num. We are going to use this single variable to demonstrate the rest of the operators. So let us say num plus equals, we can say 2. So in this case, what is happening here is we are saying we want to have num plus num, or num is equals num plus 2. This is what we are trying to break down in this form. This is just a shorthand for representing these operations. So we have num, we assign num to num, which is 10, plus 2, that will be 12, will be assigned to num. So our new value in this case should be 12. So that's it. And the next will be num. We can also have the same operations on minus equals, we can say minus 3. And then it's going to be the same thing, equals num minus 3. So the same thing goes on for the rest of the examples. So we are also going to have console log to see the rest of, or better still, let us have a console so that we can, as we move forward, we can see the various outputs. So console.log, and here we can pass in num. So num, and also let's just copy this and come below, have yeah. So we can save this and try to run a node more. And what is the name? Assignment. And our node more have started. So here you can see. So we have our variable num, which is 10, and we added 2 to 10. So we have 12. And later we print 12, and later we came and then remember this variable have been changed to 12. So we have 12 here now. And we later subtract 3 from 12. That's the reason we have 9. So it's like you have a 10 plus 2, 12, minus 3, 9. That's the output we are getting. So let us see for multiplication. So we can say num. We have our ASCII symbols equals 2. So this will be a 9 times 2, because we already have 9 that is storing in the variable of num. So if we come down in console log and save this, we should have 18. 9 times 2, 18. The same goes for division equals, so 18 divided by, we can say 2, and have our console again. We run this. Now you can see 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Also we can have, so now we have 4 operations we can also apply this to the exponential operator. So that would be num, and we have double asterisk, and also we can have like a tree. If we console log, we should see our result. We have 9. So yeah, we have 9, and let us see. Okay, no, we should have our assignment operator, like the equal symbol attached to this. So if we save this, we should see 729. Yep. So these are the operators that we can carry on. We also have the modulus operation. So we can say our percentage equals whatever number we want to have. So let us say 5, and console log this, and we have 4. So what this is saying is that 729, because this num double asterisk symbols equals 3, our result we got is 729. But after we divide, the remainder is 4. That's why we are getting 4. That's the representation of this modulus operators. So we have seen the basic operators in JavaScript, and I guess this applies to most programming language. Out of the languages I have played with, is the same operations. So you get the idea. So this was it, and I hope we meet in the next video.